Welcome. Today we'll learn how to calculate a 20% discount on $25 using a calculator. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. First, we need to convert 20% to a decimal. To do this, we divide 20 by 100. 20 divided by 100 equals 0.2. Step 2. Now we'll multiply the original price, $25 by 0.2. This will give us the amount of the discount. Step 3. Let's calculate this on our calculator. 25 times 0.2 equals $5. This means the discount is $5 off the original price. Step 4. To find the final sale price, we subtract the $5 discount from the original price of $25. 25 minus 5 equals $20. So the final sale price is $20. Let's review. We converted 20% to 0.2, multiplied $25 by 0.2 to get the $5 discount, and subtracted that from the original price to get our final sale price of $20.